Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit and today I'm going to discuss very most important topic that is called dynamic color picker. So in your project, if you need this kind of implementation, so you can take some help from this video and you can implement this functionality in your project. If you are new in this channel, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel, also turn on the bell icon for more updates so you never will miss any kind of update from my site. So let's get it started. So first of all, let me tell you how it is work. So the user interact with the color picker component and the color picker provide different types of color palette from the which user can choose, and the hex value of the selected color is written via the on change event. We will see these all point to point implementation, and the value is updated and can be used in your component and sent to the Salesforce records. Okay, so let's take our hands dirty. So first of all, let me create one LWC component and let's say create lightning web component. Component name, it can be anything. Right now I'm using my own name, so you can use any name. Okay, it's up to you. Let's say color picker comp, right? So now you can see my component is created successfully. After that, you have to implement your code. So how we can implement these all codes? So it's a very easy and very useful component, and we can create this one. So let me open the HTML first because I need to design first of all HTML UI part, and then we will work on the JavaScript part as well. Okay, so let me open the HTML file from here, and my HTML file name is a color picker. This one also my XML file because I need to take some help take some help from this XML to expose this component in record page, app page, home page based on our need, right? So now let me take this target and close it, right? So let me save this one, and once you save it, now you can see some deployment process going on and it successfully deployed our component. Now under the template I need to design something. So based on the these all LWC attributes or component, we can design this color picker. So first of all, let me take this lightning input, like lightning. We have lots of things. Lightning is a lightning input. So this is the lightning input and some suggestion given by my editor. So here you can see the input type. Type is a color. You have to make it as a color label, like a pick a color value. You can use the value color value or something like selected color. Well, let's say it's a selected color. Okay, after that you can see the on change event. On change handle color change, we can use this one, right? After that you can make some div. Okay, so here I can use my div. So div, it can be anything, but for now I'm using this div. Let's say this div, right? So div and style, like background style. So I can use like a background. Okay, it's a background style. So background and style. Okay, so this is the div, right? And inside here we can write our content, right? So let me add here, say HTML comments. Let's say here we can give like content here if we need, right? So just here our HTML is done. Let me save and deploy. Let's see anything is happen or not. Now it's successfully deployed. Okay, so now after that you have to do some logic inside the this JS file. So how we can do that? Open the JS file. Here we have to use this selected color by default, right? As a value, like selected color, default color we have to give it. Okay, so here in the default color, like selected color, let's say this one, right? Selected color we can give in the form of hexa. So let's say has F and 3 zeros, right? Here after that this is the default color. I can write here, let's say default color, something like that. Now after that, background style. So background style, here you can see this is the background style property. So just copy it, paste it here, like background style. Okay, equal to, we have to use template returner. So this here we have to use like this. Just a second, like this. Okay, yeah. So now you can see background hyphen color. This is the HTML, right? To give the background color, and dollar this dot selected color. Okay, so this is a template returner, and here we have to use like handle. Okay, handle color change. Handle color change we can use like this, handle color change event, and this dot selected color, it means this one, and event dot target dot value, because we need to check the value of the selected color. After that we have to provide that value to the this property background hyphen color and then color name, right? So now let me save this one because our JavaScript almost done, so no need to change something here. Now let me deploy whole components because we already deployed this XML, HTML and this JS file. Now let me open my org. This is my org. Let me click on this gear icon and edit this page. And once you open this page, like in Lightning App Builder page, you have to drag and drop your component from this jar to this area. So my component name is color picker component. Just drag and drop somewhere like this and just save this. Okay, and once you save this, you can activate, because I already activated, because right now I'm using lots of custom component inside my Lightning App Builder page. So no need worry about to reactivate this page because it's already activated. So just go back, and here you can see the color picker, and this is the default value. Once you clicked on this, now you can see the color palette, and based on this color palette you can select any color, let's say green or something like that, and done it. So immediately you can see the color name, right? But it's not reflected into our that div. So we have some problem. Let's see, and let's fix this problem here. So now guys, I have updated my code because previously it was very simple code. So I just made like as a card. Under that card I just mentioned my color picker input, and after that some content in the div, because previously it was only div and without any content, right? That is the boilerplate. And let me update this SLDS. This is the HTML format, and in the JS previously I was using like a handle selected properties and color. So we have to make it like as a getter, because getter is a very most important for us if you are taking some performance from the framework. So always use the getter to check the dynamic elements at the runtime. So here this is the default one, so no need worry about this track as well, because track is already deprecated. So let me remove it, just save this, and now this is the default color, and this is the getter property, and based on this getter one I just mention here some style like background color, padding, border radius, color, white, text align, center, something like that. And this is the handle change. So dynamically it automatically change the color of the selected element. So now you can see the handle change. This is the handle change, and this is the div. So let me open my org. So in the org you can see the by default, let me refresh this page, and by default you will be see the my color. So by default is a red here, right? And this is the color here. Okay, let me change this something, let's say blue color. So we can select it. This is the hexa color here, and done it. So now you can see immediately blue color is here, right? So dynamically you can change the color. Also you can make it as a pink, something like that. So this is the one, done it. Now you can see the color, background color of this div, and some contents as well. This is the content, right? And if you need to save this color by default, you can make it like one Apex class and save this color into the custom object, or any custom field, custom object, or based on the your preferences you can save this color, and runtime you can get this color from the Salesforce and display into the particular component. So that is the future enhancement, you can use it, otherwise you can leave it as it is, right? Let me take another things here. Let's say this one, I like this color. So this green one, cyan color. Now you can see the color, right? So dynamically it's automatic changes the color. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you feel like this is a very more informative for us, so please like, share, comment, subscribe the channel. Also turn on the bell icon for more updates, so you never be miss any kind of update from my side. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.